Hello and welcome to my beauty room. I thought I'd give you a quick tour of my beauty room. Not gonna make this too long, but I just wanted you to wanted you to have a look at my beauty room, how it looks. This is my vanity. This is my mirror. The mirror I had already. The lights came from Amazon, so I just put the lights around it. Okay, and then I have a picture up there that says hello gorgeous. I bought that from Shoppers World. Thought it was so pretty. Okay, and then all my containers, this brush that I have my brushes in, I bought that from Amazon. This one that I have my palettes in, I bought it from Ross, and I blinged it out. Everything has been blinged by me, okay, to make it sparkle. I bought that one from Ross also. I bought that from this container right here from Ross. I mean from not from Ross, from TJ Maxx, and I blinged it. And I also bought that little one on top right here. Bought that from Ross, and I blinged that also. Okay, and this little hand that I have that I put my rings on, I bought that from Amazon. And then speaking of rings, and then this little this eyeshadow palette right here, I purchased it from TJ Maxx. It says you got this, so that's why I bought it. And I also blinged it out with some pink bling. Okay, and I just wanted to lay right here on my vanity. I also blinged this tray out that I bought from Ross, and this mirror, also blinged it out. Okay, and this is my eyeshadow palette from Morphe's that I use on a regular, the 35S, and I also blinged it out because I said it's laying here, so I might as well bling it out too. Then I have my little cotton ball and cotton swab. They're all blinged out. These right here I bought from Charlotte's Beauty Room on Etsy. She also has a YouTube channel called Charlotte's Beauty Room. So that's where I purchased these from. So to put my jewelry in. And then this is a necklace holder to put your necklaces in. Okay. And then this tower that I have back here, I also purchased that from Amazon. I blinged it out. Okay. I purchased these pink, what do they call it? Pampas. Oh, they're pink. I ordered those from Amazon. And the vase came from Marshall's. Okay. And then this work hard, so you can shop harder. I bought that from Hobby Lobby, and I blinged it out also. I also have a blinged out card over here. I blinged it out. Got it from Marshall's. It's just got extra makeup and stuff in there that I need. I took the original knobs off and put these diamond-like knobs on there to make it look even more blingier. And then down below I have my beauty fridge that I bought from Amazon. So I also have it blinged out and have my initials on the front of Y. So that, okay. And then come over here. I have this 3-tier table that I bought from Amazon. It has a little pink heart up in there that I purchased from Burlington that I put up under there. And then my face mister. I forgot what you call it, but anyway, I ordered it from Amazon. Also, the lamps that I have, I actually purchased them from a lady on Facebook Marketplace. So they're pink, and so I just blinged them out to make them shiny and sparkly. Okay. Then next, this is my daybed. The comforter I bought off of Amazon is pink and gold, or like a light pink and gold. And then the bottom of it, I can't remember what you call the bottom, but it's like a darker pink. But I bought that from Amazon. And the pillows in the front, the 2 pink pillows, I bought that from Big Lots. And then the gold and pink flower pillows, I got those from TJ Maxx. And then those are the regular pillows that the pillowcase that matches the comforter. Okay, and then the little gold pillow came with the comforter set also. The rug down below, I purchased that from Burlington. Okay, and then the picture, this picture up here, which is of pink butterflies, I purchased it from Burlington also. And then the next picture up here, I purchased that from Burlington. Thought it was a pretty picture. And then the next picture over here, I purchased that also from Burlington. There's Chanel. Okay. And then over here I have another lamp. That is the sister to the lamp over there. So yeah, that I bought from Facebook Marketplace. And then the 3-tier table that I bought off of Amazon. I got 2 of them. This is the second one. And I got some little pink doves up under there. Yeah. All right. And as you come on around, I purchased these curtains. They're pink and gold. I purchased those from Amazon also. Thought they were so pretty. And then below the curtains is my seating / storage container, because you can put stuff in the inside and you also can sit on it. I have my 2 gnomes sitting on there that I bought from Burlington, and this pink and gold throw that I bought from Ross. Okay. All right, and as we go around, I have another picture here. It says Chanel with books on it, Chanel and Gucci books on it, a pair of shoes. Okay. I also have this mirror that I purchased from Home Goods. So, yeah. All right. The next, I purchased this pink over the door rack, and I have my robe, and then a hat, an umbrella, pink and black, and some more random hats. And then as you go around, I have a Chanel picture here. It says Chanel is pink and gold. So, and then as you come on around, I have a coffee cart here, and the Keurig I got that from Hobby Lobby, and the container here with the marshmallows in, I bought that from Amazon, and the little cute coffee cups that I thought was so cute, I got those from Burlington also. And then the butterfly back there, it lights up pink, I got that from Amazon. Okay. And so that's the picture of the cart right there. All right. And this is another picture of the vanity. But I love this room. I come in here and sit, you know, and think, and I just look around the room because I just love it. It's pink, and I just love it. I love it. Yep, I just love it. I just love my room. Yep. I have some little lights back there too. They're pink. You can't tell they're pink right now because I have a big light on up there, but they're pink also. Okay, so this is another look at my room. Okay, just gonna get back in the corner and give you a once over look. My vanity. Okay. This is my, yep. And also, I forgot to mention the cover that I have for my chair. It's an office chair cover. I got it in pink, so I get the chair I wanted. I just got that to put on it, and then that pillowcase, I just threw it across there. It don't mean anything, but yeah. And then the rug up under my vanity, I also got that from Amazon. But like I said, I love my room. I love it. Yeah, I love it. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I post another video. Until next time, bye.